Hi guys! So today we're going to be talking about multiplication and division of fractions. Alright, let's come with me. So now we're having 3 over 4 multiplied by 8 over 9, right? Okay, so what's the first thing I do? What can go in each of these numbers? That means 3 here, 1, 3, 9, 3, right? 4 here, 1, 4 here, 2. And that's giving me what? 1 multiplied by 2, 2, all over. 1 multiplied by 3, 3. And that's my final answer. It's simple, right? I know. Let's get to the second one. All right. So here we have three fractions lined up, right? So 3 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by 8 over 9. So find something that can go in each other, all right? So I can come here and say 2 here, 1, and 2 here, 4, right? 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3, okay? What other thing? I think, okay, yeah? 4 here, 1, 4 here, 1. So what do we have? Here we have 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. That is 1 over 3. And that's your final answer. Do you understand that? Do you get it? If peradventure you have any fraction that cannot go, nothing can go, you multiply it together and that will be your final answer. All right, let's go again. 4 whole number 1 over 6 multiplied by 3 over 5. What you do here, you first of all, you need to change this guy to an improper fraction. 4 multiplied by 6, 24, plus 1, 25. That is 25 over 6 multiplied by 3 over 5. Okay, now that we have it like this, we can proceed. Is there anything that can go in each of these? Yes. 5 can go, 1, 5 here, 5. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 2. And what do we have? We have 5 over 2. But this is an improper fraction. You might want to just proceed and change it to a mixed number or a mixed fraction. And how do you change that to a mixed fraction? How many times will you get 2 from 5? Twice. So that's 2 whole number. And what's left? 1 over 2. 2 whole number equals to 2 whole number 1 over 2. And that's our final answer. So that's how you do your multiplication. It's very easy and simple to do. Just make sure you find numbers that can go in other numbers, and divide. Just divide across. Do you understand that? Okay, and then you can divide just like this. 4 over 8, you can just divide. All right, so now let's go on to the division of fraction. What we have here is 1 whole number 1 over 4 divided by 4 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 1 whole number 6 over 9. Now, the first thing to do when you see your division, of course, this is a mixed number. I'm going to convert first to what? An improper fraction. Let's go. 1 times 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 over 4. 5 over 4 divided by 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. That's not 9 over 2 divided by 1 whole number 6 over 9. That's 1 times 9, 9 plus 6, 15. 15 over 9. Now that you have it like this in an improper fraction or a proper fraction, something you need to do. Since there are 3 of it here, the first one here, when you change, you need to change it to a multiplication, okay? You need to change it to a multiplication. So let me write this guy here. 1 whole number 7 over 8 divided by 2 over 3 divided by 2 whole number 1 over 4. Okay, so let's clean this guy out so that we can have space to do others. Okay, So now I go 5/4 multiplied by. It's going to change to multiplication. And while it change, you invert this guy. That means the one on top goes to comes under, and then the one under goes on top. So 2/9. Of course, again, you're changing this to multiplication, and this guy goes up, this guy comes down. 9/15. Okay, now that you have it just like your multiplication, you can go ahead and do it. So 2 here, 1, right? 2 here, 2. 9 goes in 9, right? 5 here, 1. 5 in 15, 3. So what do we have? What do we have now? 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. So that's 1 all over. 2 multiplied by 3. That's 6. And this is your final answer. Do you understand that? Do you get it? Alright, so let's get to the last part of it. Let's get to the last part of it. So let's put this 2 somewhere here. Okay, one whole number. So I'm going to convert this guy immediately so that we can have space here. 1 multiplied by 8 is what? 8 plus 7, 15. That's 15 all over what? 8. Divided. It's already division, right? So I just want to do it immediately. So I'm going to change it to multiplication. Multiplied by, this guy comes up, this guy comes down. 3/2. If I'm changing this guy, multiplied by, I'm first of all going to change 2 whole number, 1/4 to an improper fraction, and that is giving me 9/4. Now I will invert it, 4/9. So let's see, 4 here, 1, 4 here, 2, right? 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3. 3 here again, 1, 3 here, 5. So what do we have? What do we have now? What we have is 5 all over 4. What we have is 5/4. So you can go ahead and do it one step after the other, okay? So now we have 5/4. This is an improper fraction. I change it or I convert it to a mixed number or mixed fraction. That's how many times will 4 go in 5? Once. What is remaining? 1 all over the denominator 4. And that is how you solve for your multiplication and division. So anytime you want to do fraction and it's multiplication and division, you're going to know that easy peasy, right? See you in my next video. Meanwhile, you should comment whatever topic you want me to teach next or whatever topic you want to learn. I'll see you again. Have a great day. Bye.